me introduce you all to our speaker, Dr. Mariam Narona ma'am. Dr. Mariam Narona ma'am is a teacher, author, blogger, artist, designer and podcaster. She is currently working as an assistant professor at M.E.S College of Commerce, Pune, where she has been teaching subjects like marketing, entrepreneurship, costing and research methodology at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Dr. Naruna ma'am is the coordinator of the Startup and Innovation Cell of her college. She has taught a wide range of management related subjects and has authored and presented papers at national and international seminars and the conferences.